back to Drawing for Kids, where we'll be doing step-by-step drawings on some simple drawings and also using our imagination to create something completely different and wonderful at the same time. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, so for the theme for today, the drawing that I'll be doing is called the Relaxed Rabbit. You'll be needing some color markers, which I picked up some Crayola markers here. They're washable markers, but really you can use any markers or coloring medium of your choice, which can be pencil crayons or crayons in general. You'll also need some paper here. Just some scrap white paper will be fine. And you'll also need some markers. I have some Sharpies here, which are fine and extra fine markers, but you can use any type of black markers or even use a black pencil crayon if you like. So, these are the materials that you'll be needing to start our drawing today. So let's clean up our space and get started with our drawing. We'll be doing the Relaxed Rabbit, and of course you can do this drawing by yourself or with friends and family, with brothers and sisters, and try to incorporate your imagination into it and make something different. You can deviate from suggestions that I have and add on little details of your own to make it unique and special to you. All right then, are you ready to get started? Because I am. All right, so to start off, you'll need your black marker. Do you have your black marker ready? Okay, we're going to start by drawing the rabbit's head. We're going to do a round circle. And of course, like I mentioned before, you can do a little deviation from that if you like. So it could be an oval, could be a square rabbit face if you like. We're also going to do these two round ears from the top. They're almost like tubes or oval-ish. So very long ears. You can do short ears for a rabbit or even longer ears than what I have here too. Okay, so we're going to do another smaller loop on the inside of this ear. And we'll do the same on the other ear as well. Okay, ready for the next step? Okay, now we're going to do two circles right underneath the bigger circle, and these will be the buttons for the rabbit's overalls. We're going to connect the buttons to the head with two lines for each button, and then we're going to connect one side to the other, and that will be the top of the overalls for the rabbit. Next, we're going to do the rabbit's feet, which are two squish circles, kind of like ovals on the bottom. And we're going to connect a line from that button to the middle of that foot at the bottom. And we'll do that on both sides. You can see my circle, my squish circle is a little bit off, but that's okay. So we'll do a little arc to connect the 2 feet together, and now you can see that the rabbit had a pair of overalls that he's wearing. We're going to do a small semicircle and a line on top for a little pocket, which you can later decide what you want to put in that pocket for this rabbit. We're going to start with the face now. Maybe we'll start with the nose. So the nose, I'm going to do a triangle. If you want, you can do a circle if you want. I'm going to do 2 half circles to represent the rabbit's eyes. If you want, you can also do big eyes. You can do just a dot for the eyes. You can make sad eyes or different expressions. For the rabbit, I'm going to do a big circle, half circle here for the smile, and also draw in some whiskers, 2 on each side. If you like, you can add on more, 3, 4, or you can have a very hairy rabbit with, let's say, 10 whiskers on both sides. Next, I'm going to draw in his hands and then connect it to the body. Now, this is a pretty relaxed rabbit because he's wearing some overalls and just overall chilling, enjoying his space and time. Okay, so the next part is I'm going to start using some color markers in here. What kind of colors should I use? Maybe I'll use a pink to color in his nose. And then I'll do matching colors for the rabbit's ears as well. Just making sure you color in the entire section and not leaving any white space. Okay, what should I color in next? Maybe that pocket. Well, as I'm coloring, let's think about what you want to put in that pocket. Do you want to put apples? A pencil? What's the story behind this rabbit? Why is he so relaxed? Is it because he's having a day off from work? Maybe he's having a day off from school. What would you do on your day off? Do you like to draw? Do you like to paint? Do you like to read? So these are things you can think about for your rabbit and start thinking of a story for your rabbit. And you can incorporate elements into your drawing that will explain and tell that story. So let's say my relaxed rabbit wants to eat a carrot. So I'll use this orange marker here and draw in a carrot. Of course, your rabbit may not enjoy carrots. Maybe your rabbit will enjoy candy or a banana. So to start drawing that carrot, I'm going to do a triangle like so. And I'm going to color it in with this orange marker I have. Make sure to color in the entire carrot. Next, I'm going to grab a green and do the leaves of the carrot. So there's my green. I'm just going to do some leaves here, kind of like small, thin flower petals, but more than one, of course. If you want, like I mentioned, your rabbit can enjoy a box of chocolate. Maybe your rabbit likes juice, in which case you can draw in a juice box for your rabbit, and he's enjoying his juice on his relaxed day off. Or perhaps he is taking a walk in the rain, and you can draw an umbrella for him and draw rain falling down. I'm going to add in shoelaces for his shoes while I'm at it, because why not? Why won't rabbit wear shoes? If you like, you can color in the shoes. For me, I'm going to color in the buttons green. What about these overalls? Should we have polka dot overalls? Or maybe for now, I will do stripes for him. Do you have striped overalls? Or do you own any overalls? If you don't own any overalls, how and what color would you like your overalls to be? Would you like them to be rainbow colored? Would you like them to have apples or unicorns on them? Or maybe fire trucks and dinosaurs? You can draw whatever pattern you like for the overalls for your rabbit. Maybe I imagine my rabbit having a lovely time in the garden today and just farming his carrots, in which case I can draw a farm in the background with a bright sun shining down on the rabbit with some happy clouds and maybe a bucket and some planters beside him. And that's what I'll do for my background. Now use your imagination and think about what kind of story your rabbit is trying to tell here. So I hope you enjoy this drawing of the relaxed rabbit. I'm just going to wrap up with some coloring for his overalls, but overall, this is it for the relaxed rabbit. Okay, just to wrap up the coloring, I think I need to add another color to the overalls. Maybe yellow would be nice. So I'm going to color in yellow in between the green stripes that I've already drawn for the rabbit. I think yellow is a nice contrast color. I don't think I own any clothes in yellow. Do you have clothes in yellow? At the same time, thinking, could I use this yellow for something else in this drawing? Maybe I can use it to draw the sun. Maybe I can use it to draw a bucket for the rabbit to put the carrots in. I'm also going to grab a lighter orange color and color in his shoes. Now, if you have any ideas for another character or animal you'd like me to draw for the next video, please leave a comment below and I will take it into consideration for the next drawing. So that's basically it for the Relax Rabbit. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video for Drawing for Kids. Bye now. Take care.